Law dead in Rome, wherever he serviced as protopriest of the Pontifical Liberia Basilica of St. Mary Main following he was constrained to abandon as Metropolitan of Boston in 2002. In a news story meeting, Law apologized to victims of misuse by a clergyman, John Geoghegan, who had been excited of congregation to congregation, in spite act's expertise of his misuse of youthful boys. Law insisted Geoghegan's misuse was in the history. Geoghegan was ultimately condemned of obscene attack and sell on a 10-year-old little boy. The Searchlight Crew's disclosure of common kid misuse by the Roman Catholic priesthood in the Boston Diocese won a Pulitzer Award. The staging of the Crew's inquiry, a 2015 cinema as well named Searchlight, won the 2016 Top Image Academia Confer, earning the History to a Lot Broad Auditorium. The Vatican given a click produce environment proving the Die of Main St. Bernard Act. In one link read Main St. Bernard Law dead previous the night following a length disease. Law never florid penal sanctions regime for his part in enabling offensive priests to stay in chapel parishes. The fracas reverberated via the chapel, exhibiting such concoction world how discredited its ethical credibility and led to year of many millions-dollar settlements. To his enemy, his other carrier at the Vatican was a smack in the person to victims of chapel sex misuse, one how future undermined the chapel's legality. Growth of Boston's religious lead law was unborn in Torreon, Mexico, on November 4, 1931, to Helen and St. Bernard Act, an air-strength colonel. He did his graduate teaching at St. Joseph's Divinity School in Louisiana and at the Papal School Josephinum in Columbus, Ohio. He was predefined as a clergyman in the Natchez-Jackson, Mississippi, Eparchy on May 21, 1961 and became Curate General of the Natchez-Jackson Eparchy in 1971. In 1985, Pope of Rome John gendered too lofty law to main, one of fair 13 Americans keeping how office space at the period. Telephone call for retire in August 2002. Law emerging in trial to witness on a community achieved among the Diocese of Boston and victims of priesthood misuse. The diocese rescinded the cash proposed soon later. Roman Catholic Chapel atrocity by study. The collapse of confidence in the Roman Catholic Chapel continues to include reverberations about the planet. Elder leaders in the nation's chapel, yet, discarded recommendations by the broad-reaching inquiry, decreasing to end obligatory celibate for priests and break down the privacy of denomination. Of the survivors who informed creature offended in a sectarian establishment, above 60% told it occurred in a Roman Catholic organization, the paper found.